Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review Tubi TV. Today we're diving into Tubi TV in 2025, one of the most popular free streaming services out there. Is it worth your time? What's the catch? What is Tubi TV? Tubi TV is a free ad-supported streaming platform offering a massive library of movies and TV shows. Owned by Fox Corporation, it has deals with major studios like Paramount, MGM, and Lionsgate. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just free content with ads. Sounds too good to be true. Let's find out. Content library and what can you watch? One of Tubi's biggest selling points is its content selection, but what is actually available? Movies, from Hollywood blockbusters to indie gems, some classics, some recent hits. TV shows, popular series, reality TV, and even some originals. Live TV, a growing selection of live news and sports channels. No new releases or premium exclusives. If you are looking for the latest Marvel or HBO hits, you won't find them here. Overall, the library is solid for a free service, but expect some older content mixed in with hidden gems. User experience and features. So how does Tubi perform? Available on Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, Smart TVs, mobile apps, and even web browsers. No sign up required, but creating an account lets you save watch lists. HD streaming, but no 4K or offline downloads. Ads can be frequent, usually 3 to 5 per movie. No premium upgrade. You can't pay to remove ads. Overall, the experience is smooth, but the ads might be a deal breaker for some viewers. A common question is Tubi safe? Yes, 100% legal and legit. It's backed by Fox and major studios. No viruses, no shady downloads, just streaming. Ads are targeted, so expect personalized commercials. As long as you are okay with ads, Tubi is totally safe to use. Final verdict. Is Tubi worth it? So should you try Tubi in 2025? Here's a quick pros and cons rundown. Pros: 100% free, no subscription needed. Big content library, available on almost all devices. Cons: no latest releases or exclusives. Frequent ads, no 4K or offline downloads. If you are looking for a free way to watch movies and shows without a subscription, Tubi is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's review. What do you think about Tubi? Have you used it before? Let me know down below in the comments. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.